What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks, but before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like. That really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time investment alerts, whatever I do throughout the day, I share all that in my Discord. Consider joining the Patreon and then the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into Meta. So if you guys watched that video I made on Friday night here on 6 big tech stocks, I had a big position here on Meta puts. And I was confident that we're going to see 115, which is my strike. And here we are here on Meta. And I can show you guys. Let me show you for a second what I'm talking about here on Meta. So right here, if you look at my screen at 9:28 a.m. and that is Friday, the 16th, where I had this planned out buying 115 puts on Meta. And soon as the market opened, right here at 9:31 a.m., options didn't even settle. I got into puts. Meta now down to 115, or actually down to 114. I sold half of my position and still holding half of my position. I think Meta can go down even more. So Meta, if you look at my screen, we're down about 3.71% on the day, and this thing gave up the support 119, also now gave up 118 or 117.90 orange line 13 SMA, and now we're down under 115.68 white line 20 SMA. Next support level here on this one would be down here at 112, and below that I think that is coming very soon. We might get a small bounce back up to, I would say, 119, maybe 118, but soon as we break 112, which is a big level of support, Meta coming all the way down to 106, 107 to this lower Bollinger Band, and then don't forget about this gap right here guys at 98, and then another one down here at 91.50, and those can get filled anytime here on Meta soon as we break 112. Now tomorrow, if we can get a break above, I would say right here 116 and 118, we could see a move all the way up to right here 119, and that is it. I don't think we're going to see a move back up to 124 going into tomorrow. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, we are down 2% on the day. So this thing also gave up the support to 40, and looks like Microsoft on its way to 237. We got down to 238 today. Lower Bollinger Band, and soon as that gives up or comes down, we're going to see Microsoft coming down to 232, and then watch out for this gap fill at 228. To the upside, now we have resistance at 240, above that 245, 248, and then 250. On Apple stock, we're down 2% on the day, and Apple getting extremely oversold. But if you notice one thing, what happened today here on Apple stock guys, and that is not good for the market. Look at this, 135, we held right here, we held right here, right here, and again here. And today what happened? Soon as we got up to 135, a massive kick, a rejection from 135, and now we're trading at 131.50 as of right now. So Apple is getting definitely extremely oversold, sitting below lower Bollinger Band, which is sitting right around 134. Yes, we saw that cat bounce. It didn't last too long. Massive rejection at 135, and now we might be coming all the way down to 130, and that is gonna be a strong level of support here on Apple stock. Now to the upside, only way up, if we can break 133, then we are going to see Apple hitting 135, and that's gonna be a big resistance to break. And above 135, we can possibly talk about 137 to even 138 blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart. On Amazon stock, we're down 3.65% on the day, and Amazon is a mega cap. We all know that, and it's making a new 52-week low today, 84.51 just right now. And now this thing is getting extremely oversold. So in the short term, we could see a bounce back up to 87 to even 90, but I would not be surprised if Amazon gets all the way down to, like I said before, next big level of support would be down here at 80. Any bounce above 87, we could possibly see 90 to even 91.42 white line 20 SMA, and that would be a dead cat bounce. It's not looking bullish at all. And now we're going to look at Tesla. So I had some calls on Tesla, and what do you know here, guys? We got another falling wedge here on Tesla, and looks like we might get that breakout at some point, but below 145 it's not valid. We could be coming down even more. Tesla so far, like I said before, it's holding 150. We're actually trying to hold 150 as a support all day today, even though we made a new 52-week low 145.82 and now trading at 150. So above 150 and then 155 and I would say 160, we could see a bounce here on Tesla all the way up to 167 to 170, 174.18 white line 20 SMA, and that's gonna be a breakout here on Tesla in the short term. It's not looking bullish. I'm not saying it's going to 225 or 300. In the short term, we could see a bounce here on Tesla, just like we saw today. I sold all my calls today at 155 and just holding on to my shares. Those are long term. 150 and then 145 will be a big support to watch right now. Below 145, we could be going all the way down to 135, 134 here on Tesla. And now we're going to look at on Google stock. We're also down 2% on the day, and if you look at my screen, we got this gap fill today at 89, and now we're finding support at 89, also getting extremely oversold. So $89 right here. If we can hold that as a support here on Google, we could possibly see a bounce back up to 92.47 blue line 5 SMA to even $95 where we got rejected before. Below 89, watch out for a new low and possibly getting back down to 83 down here and then going down to even flat $80.